In some retail stores, you want to allow your sales staff to see the cost of an item while they're speaking to a customer without doing a lot of work and pulling it up on the screen. And a way to do this is to actually print what I would consider a cryptic code on a price label that basically looks like words, but is actually representative of the cost of the item. So we've added a new feature to do that, and to set that up, all you need to do is go into your store configuration and go under the purchase, order, and receiving module. You'll see the last option there, or one of the one of the bottom ones. Obviously, by the time you watch this, there might be other options, but you'll see a cost code option, right? And what this does is it allows you to put a word in that basically designates what the cost is. So each letter or number represents a number, right? So, and you have to make sure you're choosing a word where there's no repetitive letters, right? So you want a word, and again, you can use numbers too. In this case, I did use a number. So P represents 1, O represents 2, R represents 3, all the way up to 9, and then 0, I have it's being represented as the number 1. So what this does, once you set this up, the system will automatically assign a cost code to an item. And it's really easy to do. I can just go into inventory. And let's just go ahead and pull up an item that already has a cost. I'll edit that item. I'll go into pricing. And you'll see I've got a price here with a code of TLE. So what we do is we just code the dollar amount of that cost, and we don't really code anything beyond that dollar. We don't code the pennies. So TLE, T is 4, L is 7, E is 8. If I decide to change this, again, now it's TL1, which designates that 0. So it changes dynamically. The nice thing is that this code can print on your actual price labels, or even better, if you have CoreTag, if you actually have a digital price tag, that's one of the fields that can show up on that digital price tag. And if you want more information on CoreTag or haven't seen what these are, we've got an awesome video that we did showing you how we set up a store with CoreTags. They're amazing. And again, you can print any information in your database, or you can actually show any information on a digital tag. And the nice thing is, when the cost changes, that digital tag changes immediately. You don't have to reprint that particular label. So if you've got employees that are negotiating prices with customers, or maybe you're a store owner and you do the negotiations and you don't want to have to sit there in front of the computer, maybe you're out on the floor and you're just trying to negotiate a price with that customer, you always will know what your cost is. Customer will never see it. We'll never really know what it means, because you've got that code in here, that price code in here, and it works great. Thank you so much for watching this video.